Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cat and a dog hugging. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw a cat and a dog hugging. I'm drawing the dog first. Here's its long ear. Now I'm drawing the cat. Here's the cat's leg. And this is its long tail. Here's the duck's tail. This is its tongue. Okay, now let's start coloring. To do the coloring, I'm using my orange highlighter pen. I'm coloring the dog with the orange highlighter pen. I'm using red color in its tongue. I'm using brown pen in its eyebrows and ears. Now for the cat, I'm using my pink pen. And in its body, I'm using my gray crayon. Uh-oh. I'm fixing its face with my fingertip. And my drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.